Native Speakerism is a pervasive ideology within ELT characterized by the belief that native speaker teachers represent a Western culture from which spring the ideals both of the English language and of English language teaching. Use of the concept follows a now established concern about political inequalities within ELT. However, other attempts to capture this inequality in these example cases have suffered from binary, regional, or cultural overgeneralization. Native Speakerism is seen instead as a divisive force which originates within particular educational cultures within the English-speaking West. While the adoption of and resistance to the ideology take place to a greater or lesser degree throughout the ELT world, the native speaker ideal plays a widespread and complex iconic role outside as well as inside the English-speaking West. Share your thoughts in the comments below.